तेरी उंगली थाम के चलता था, तेरी मेहनत से पलता था, आंसू को छुपा के पलकों में मेरे आगे मुस्कुराते थे। बाबा मुझे माफ कर दो।
My dad was telling me, "Ke put baar na ja, don't go outside." My dad would always say, you was the only one when he was growing up that I used to love because, he was my first child. And then once I pushed my dad.
मुझे माफ कर दो बाबा।
I pushed my dad and my dad fell back. And I didn't care what I was doing. My dad used to sit here when the Granny Kabina sat. My dad used to sit there every Juma. And just, I was sitting there looking at that space. My dad's not there now. And my dad said, the phone, I was shouting at my dad, telling him he's done this, he's done that, because we got into some sort of financial difficulty. And my dad said, Ahmed, was tu ek din roega, tu meri kabar se aakhir roega. And every time I go to his grave, that's what I do. But then alhamdulillah, it was Dawateislami that came into my life. I was searching for something I didn't know what I was searching for. And then it was the brothers of Dawateislami in Manchester that spent time with me and changed my ways. And on my first kafla, Ilyas came into my dreams and said to me, what do you want from this world? And I said to him, I want to follow your footsteps. And then Ilyas said, come with me. And then from that time, I've never looked back. And it took me 37 years to realize a mother's status in Islam. My brothers don't, when you go home and you look at your mum and dad, they get you angry. Believe me, it's not worth it, because the pain that I'm going through and the burden I'm going through every day, because I lost my dad. I can't make that time. But when I lost my dad in bad times, I never got to make up with my dad. So my dad left dunya without me saying sorry to him. And I never got to see my dad when he died. But it took Dawateislami, it took Ilyas for me to know that there's Jannat under my mum's feet. And now because of Ilyas, I kiss my mum's feet.
Baba, मुझे माफ कर दो। We love Madani channel. We love Madani channel. We love Madani channel. We love Madani channel.